Is there anything like the perfect easy breakfast? I don't know, but if you're trying to gain weight, this is somewhat close.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the...
For this recipe, we're going to be using a loaf of white bread, not whole grain. We're going to be using some mayonnaise, low cholesterol, and we're also going to be using some sardines. Go for Titus if you can, okay? The taste is in the quality. But anyway, this is the one I could get. It's really hard to get Titus all of a sudden. I don't know why. But yeah, maybe it's because it's quite expensive. I don't know. But yeah, Glory it is. So we're going to put our Glory sardines into a plate. We're just turning all of the sardines into the plate. Sardines are really nice when it comes to gaining weight. I'm going to put the calories over as usual so you could see how many calories each contains. Then we're taking our mayonnaise, and I'm taking 1.5 spoons of the mayonnaise, and I'm going to put it directly into the plate. If you're making this recipe and you're somebody that gets irritated easily, then I would advise that you don't put all the oil into the recipe. You could drain out the oil and just use the fish and the mayonnaise. Sometimes some people, or rather my mom, used to add some spice, some pepper into the mix, but I don't really like that, so you don't have to do that, okay? But if it's something that you like, fine, go ahead. And then we're going to take our loaf of bread. This is like really easy, and anybody can do this recipe. That's like literally it, and it will take you like how many minutes? But anyways, you take the bread and then you're going to just put this over the bread, just like you're going to put your peanut butter or how you normally put your butter. And so you're just going to put this over the bread actually, and then yeah. This recipe is ideal for students that are trying to gain weight. It's ideal for busy people that have a tight schedule. It's ideal for anybody looking to gain weight even on a budget. Like, this recipe has so many calories and it's just the perfect breakfast for anybody, or dinner, when it comes to gaining weight. And it's something I would recommend to anybody trying to gain weight, especially if you're on a budget or you don't have enough, or you have, whatever issues, and you could just use this, okay? And I tell you guys every time, gaining weight is all about your mental health. Get yourself in a happy place and you would see how these recipes will work like magic, okay? So the magic is actually in your head before it is actually physically or with what you eat. But anyways, after we do that, I've topped up the bread and I have 4 out of this, and you don't need to eat all 4. You could always put it in the fridge or something. You don't have to eat all 4 breads at the time, but I'm just doing this to show you guys how it will look in this video. But anyways, after that, you see how it looks. This is really so yummy, and this is really nice. And to add more calories to this recipe, we're going to top it up with an avocado smoothie. I already had this pre-made, and I have a video showing you guys how to make this. I'm going to put it over this video so you could go back and watch it and see if it's something you want to do. But anyways, hi there, my name is Girl Kenzie. Welcome to my channel. And if you're a lover of weight gain videos, skincare and vlogs, this is the place for you. I hope that you would desire to subscribe and also like this video. Turn on your post notification buttons if you haven't. This is so that you can get notified anytime I post a new video. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe as much as I do, and I hope I see you all in my next video. If you're an older returning subscriber, thank you so much for supporting the channel. Much love. Bye.